Oh my gosh, good morning everybody. It's the last day of the cruise, and I was gonna say the first day is the last day of the cruise, but the second day we will turn on the light. The second day we will have had breakfast. We're getting ready to throw some clothes on and get breakfast. I think I woke up got out of bed at about 7:30. We had a late night last night. They had a 90s dance party. Hopefully you've seen that already. I don't know if you shook your groove thing in the 90s. We jumped around. We jumped, and we got down. And then we went to the casino. And for some reason, even if I went to bed at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, I wake up at 7. What the heck is up with that? So, we're getting ready to go get some breakfast. And hopefully the next time you see me, I won't look like I've been dragged through the mud. Okay, hopefully I look like I woke up a little more than I did a few minutes ago. But we're headed to the American Diner. And all the times we've been on the ship, we've never done it. And now it's free. But we're going for breakfast. JT, don't put no fingers up. Oh, throwing hands. Oh, that was perfect. It's like a buffet. Well, even look, I thought they would come and take your order.
I did too. It's a buffet, right? Yes. Everything.
Not yet. Got to see what they got. I thought it was a made to order.
Me too.
You can go up downstairs for this.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll do.
Good morning, everybody. Here's my breakfast. This is the last day and our first day in the buffet for breakfast. So I got an omelet, bacon and onion. They didn't have sausage. He offered me ham, but no thank you. Apparently there's some kind of outbreak or something on the ship, so they don't have, only one day did they have the salt and pepper shakers. And here's my grits. Yeah, I put syrup on my grits. You should try it. This is my first time on the deck. Well, not the deck. Deck 16. Ooh, in this bathroom. I need to know how come the doors are always open to the bathroom. Too bad. So this is the walking track. We're probably in somebody's way.
You hear your cruise director with a quick rundown of some of the highlights for this morning. Do not miss out on our last day of the cruise shopping deals.
Today is the last day of the cruise. We've had 2 sea days in a row, and this one is almost like looking in the atrium area, almost as crowded as the first day. I'm not sure what he's doing with this one. The last animal looked like a rubber duck. So we just finished the food and vegetable carving demonstration, and now they're about to do a napkin folding demonstration. I got my napkin, Jonathan's napkin, a tequila old-fashioned, which is much better than a whiskey old-fashioned, I must say. This is what he did or not, but this is what I got. It's really weird. Looks like a tie, in a manner of speaking. I don't think that's right. He talked about folds. He counted 4. I had 5. Jonathan had 2. We're confused. Oh, yeah. Okay. You go ahead on, Jonathan. Mine don't even look like that.
Put a detail on that.